Here they come. Look at them. They're just swarming at cat food. The first time I didn't even know that I thought it was the cats eating it, and I was like, holy, how can they eat it so quick? And then the next day I went out and I just went by the window and seen like 50 birds just eating all the cat food. It was the craziest. They're all in the tree, like 50 of them, and they come swarming down and just ate it within not even, I would say not even like 5 minutes. It was gone. Like the whole, not, they didn't save one like piece for the kitties at all. It was the craziest. Oh, here comes the two brave ones. Oh, here they come. They're all in lines. They're all getting in the line. They're going pecking away. That's so funny. There's the brave one back again. There's always one. I think they take the hay too, so I'll take it back. They have a bundle of hay out there with their little shelter for the animals. So I think they actually use the hay and make a nest in the trees. I'm telling you, they can sense me by this window. This is why they're not coming back. I gotta move. Watch, I'm gonna move. Let's see if I'm right. If I go in the other room, I want to see if they come back, if they can sense me. And they can't even, I'm like hiding in the corner right here in my kitchen. So let's see, I'm gonna walk in my dining room. Oh, maybe they're done eating. Alright, I'm gonna shut it off for now.